Hello.
Hi guys. This is our taste testing for the new Sabrina's drink. And
the brown sugar matcha latte.
yeah, with oat milk and
Donuts, because unfortunately they ran out of
the lemon loaf.
everything else. Yeah, lemon loaf. What's it called? The
And
lava
the
cake
lava cake with the whoopie pie.
and the almond croissants.
yeah, that, because I haven't had any breakfast. Anyway, so
The hash browns, they are so good. Just saying. So.
yeah, they ran out like mostly donuts and
Everything.
other breakfast
They ran
items.
out of everything.
Yeah, they just have those little munchkins.
Yeah.
So let's get on with the taste test of the Sabrina one. I did like less ice, I think I said. Yeah. And I said yeah. You can taste the brown sugar.
Okay.
And I saw someone shake the this thingy. Yeah, with the little shaker. That's what Sabrina did. I'm gonna leave a little clip after this. Yeah. Tell about yours.
And this is the brown sugar matcha latte. I already tried it, as you could tell.
Yeah.
It tastes the same as all other matchas. There's really no difference.
But can you taste the brown sugar? That's what's the difference.
Kind of.
Yeah, I can taste the brown sugar in this one. You wanna put your straw in here? Or
Oh.
I don't know how I'm gonna do
Hold on. I could drink it like
Yeah.
this. Kind of reminds me of the blonde latte at Starbucks.
Interesting. Have I had any shaken espresso from Starbucks? Probably, yeah. This tastes like maybe I don't know, vanilla or caramel shaken espresso, whatever. They should have one like caramel shaken espresso
Yeah.
or mocha one. So I would get this. I would get this again. Yeah, and it's like peppermint winter vibes
Nice.
packaging. What's your packaging? Same or
I think it's a little more simple.
yeah, Dunkinized. Yeah, this looks like tall to me, or like large, but I took medium. Yeah, let's taste test the Munchkin.
So let's start with the.
It's gonna fall.
Okay.
Can you? Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, which one do you want to start with? We still have the blueberry one.
Let's taste one at the same time.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna taste the blueberry, if I can get one out, or whatever.
Wait,
just
that's
take a
the
chocolate.
Okay. So first is the chocolate one.
Yeah. So the 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's powdered in it.
I mean, pretty okay.
It's not like amazing, but you can taste the chocolate. If you're a chocolate lover, get this.
Yeah.
Get the powdered or whatever.
Oh yeah. Okay. The next one we will be taste testing is the powdered donuts. Okay. Ready? 1,
2, 3.
Little too powdery.
They should add like powdered sugar instead of just powder.
It is powdered sugar though. But look, I feel they added too much.
It's like maybe like 5 layers.
Yeah. And the last one is the blueberry muffin.
What the hell? Wait, no. Okay. 1, 2, 3. When you take the first bite, you can taste the blueberry.
Definitely.
Even if you take a small bite, you can still taste it though. And look, you can see the blue kind of thing.
So should we give it a rating from 1 to 5 or 1 to 10?
10.
Okay.
Especially for food.
Okay, so this one would be, I would say 8, 9 out of 10. Like,
yeah, I would rate it 9.5.
And the chocolate one would be like 8 out of 10, 7 or 8. And the powdered sugar is definitely like 5 or lower out of 10.
My rating for the chocolate should be 7.5 or 8 out of 10. And the powdered one is like 6 out of 10.
Okay.
That's my least favorite. Yeah. Whenever I come to Dunkin, I'm gonna try the lava ice signature latte, and I hope they have the whoopie pie.
We're going to go to the one in my town. I'm pretty sure they definitely have more people working there and more orders.
Yeah, in my place they have like 2 people.
Yeah, we should work there.
Yeah.
Or at least volunteer.
Yeah, so what would you rate the matcha latte?
I would say 7 out of 10.
I would rate the brown sugar shaken espresso like 8.5 or 9 out of 10. So I think this is about the video.
Give a like, comment down below your favorite Dunkin' Donut order, and subscribe.
Yeah. And go subscribe to Besties Reads, Bubble Star Vlogs, Conscious Vlogs.
Oh, and Connie Rodriguez, I post travel vlogs there too. And the sports map, which is my boyfriend.
Yeah. And I'm gonna start posting on my real names thing, YouTube thing. I'm gonna link that below. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching. We love you. And bye.
Bye. That's me, Espresso. I guess that's sweet.